Yep, what's up? Another video na naman. So itong gagawin kong video is about dito sa ginawa kong picture, no, about anak ng contractor. So sabi ng iba, ano daw yung script ko dito, paano ko ba daw ito ginawa. So it's very easy, basic lang to guys. So same, open Gemini, yan. Tapos yung nasa baba yung plus sign, upload mo yung photo mo. So dapat clear yung picture mo para makuha talaga ni Gemini yung exact yung face, no, sa pag-edit niya. So yung script mo lang guys is gawin mo lang yung precise na script, like make my picture or make me looks rich with some luxurious items. Yan, mga ganyan na mga script. So yan lang yung ginamit ko, make me look rich and then have some luxurious items. Tapos with the slogan, anak ng contractor, no, katas ng flood control. So yan lang yung script natin. So that's very easy. Tapos meron ka ng ganito, yan, meron ka ng ganyan. So again, see you next video.